The open item management concept. Today we are going to talk about the don't talk about the reversal. Okay, no doubt. Let me share the screen.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir, regarding.
Yeah.
Yeah, but fortunately, before I did not practice like creating GL account, sir. FS00. But where can I see, sir? I create capital account and bank account, but I did not get it, sir.
You created, but you are not able to see, huh?
Yes, sir. Sir, I created a capital account, sir.
Okay.
How I will see, sir? How I will overlook it?
See here. Okay. See here, FS00. You are here, no?
Yes, sir. I am reading.
So you created. Are you not able to see this?
Yeah, I am not able to get these four things, sir. Assets and expenses.
Okay. So what you have to do? You have to go to
Settings. Yeah.
Hierarchy, display. So you have to tick this. Display
Yes,
accounts in navigation tree. Tick this.
Yes,
press enter. So here it will give a message. New settings will take place once the transaction is restarted.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do? You have to come back again. Transaction you have to restart.
Okay.
Then you will see.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Got it? Yes. Good.
Yeah, I will check it, sir. I will check it. Let you know. Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Sir, I was absent yesterday. Can you please give me the 2 minutes of recap?
Yesterday was just a open item management concept completed, right? We have completed that open item management concept.
Yeah, sir.
Okay?
Sir, can you please show me the notepad, sir?
Just a minute. Right. So, so this is the topic we have done for prepaid. Okay, no done.
Yeah, sir. Completed. I took screenshot.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So reversals, we are going to discuss about the reversals today. Yeah. Now reversal is very, very important in SAP. Why? Mainly after a document is posted in SAP, you cannot change it. Okay. You must have tried to do the changes, right? You are not able to do, right? Yeah. So after a document is posted, in most of the cases you cannot change the document, right? So that's why what is the only option we have here? To reverse the document, right? Reverse send. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay. Now let me. Okay. So see, for example, now here, yes. Now I have. So to change the document, do you know what is the T code to change the document? What is the T code to change the document? It is FB03 and you can go for change, or what you can do, you can go to FB02 directly. Okay, let me show you. So you go to /n FB03, enter, then after that you can go for change. Correct. Yeah. This is change document. Or what you can do, FB02 you can do, and then you can do for change. Both are same. You can go to FB03 and click on change, or you can go to FB02 and look at the document, right? Change the document, right? So now I want to change the document, right? I want to change something. I want to change the amount or something. Okay, so now let me take one document from your company code. Okay, what is your company code? TEE, right?
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Some document number I am taking. Hopefully we have posted 09 and enter. Okay, so here it is showing traveling to bank. Yeah. Now suppose this is by mistake I have given here. This I should post to miscellaneous. Okay, suppose this 1000 was supposed to be posted to miscellaneous, but I have by mistake I have debited to traveling. Correct. Then what I do? I will suppose I want to change this. Right. So can I change the account here? No. You see, I'm already in change document. You see? I'm already in change document. Can I change the account number? No. Can I change the company code? No. Can I change the amount?
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, I can't able to
Once
change.
a document is posted, once a document is posted, you cannot change the document. So there are certain things you can change, right? Not that totally you cannot change. Some things you can change. That's why the change document screen is there, okay? So what are the things you can change? You can change value date, assignment, text you can change. Okay? So these are the unimportant things, right? See, narration is there, right? Narration, right? Narration will give a text. That you can do, right? So like header name, reference numbers, all those things you can. So what it is, all those things which are going to affect our account, right? All those things which are going to affect our accounts, we cannot change. Those things which are not going to affect our account, like narration, text, header, reference, all those things, right? Will it affect our accounts? No. And suppose narration I have not given, I want to give the narration. Will it affect the accounts?
Yeah.
Right? So what are the things that will affect the accounts? Date, company code, account number, amount, debit, credit. Those are the things which are going to affect our accounts. Okay? Yeah? Right. So now what I will do is, so then if I do a mistake, suppose if I want to change this now, right? Then can I change now? Can I change? No. What I have to do now? The only option is your. Correct? And post present. Understood? Yeah? So any document that is posted in F5, in SAP, you cannot change the document. At least all those important things which are going to affect your accounts, you cannot change. Clear? Yeah? Right. So now.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, in display bands FS10N. In live environment, we entered the FS10N. I got a message. New general ledger is implemented. Use transaction code FAGLB03.
Correct.
What is the new general ledger concept?
See here, I told you in the beginning, document splitting I told you, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have not used it so far.
Okay.
Correct? Right? You remember we have deactivated it.
Yes, sir.
Alright? So that all those new features we have not done, right? So why? Because you will get confused.
Sir.
Yeah, so you are just starting, and now if I take you in that direction, and next 1 month classes are happening about the new GL concept,
Okay.
then you will get confused. Correct.
Okay.
That's why we will leave all that new features we will take up later. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we will. Yeah.
Okay.
Other things are common, na? Everything else is same. Only one here and there little changes there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Now, so I will show you for other company codes. I can show you. Tagel, you are talking about Tagel B03. Okay, so now, so in our company code, it is not implemented, right? You see now, suppose you see. Same T code I am trying to show you. Yeah? Are you able to use?
So, can you please repeat the code so that you have mentioned right now?
Yeah. Okay, for now. Sorry, yes. Hello.
Please repeat the code that you have told us.
Your voice is breaking. Please.
Yeah. So, can you please repeat the code that you have shown?
No, don't worry about it right now. Yeah. There is
Can you
time.
please show the code that you have shown? It's not your voice.
Yeah. Tagel B03. Okay.
Sir, for what purpose we will use this, sir?
Same purpose. Same. Here I am getting the balance now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Same. I will get it in our FS00 also, right? So now.
Okay, sir. Without the path we are using this one.
No. Same. I will show you the same results now. But thing is, there will be multiple ledgers there. Okay. Ditto answer I am able to see. Correct? Yeah. Okay now. Where are we? Okay now. Okay. So now, why do you think there is why we cannot change the document in SAP, right? Why is it so strict here? Okay, why do you think it is so strict? No. Background noise.
So that no fraud will happen?
To reduce the fraud transaction.
How?
Maybe to maintain the standardized.
Okay.
To avoid confusion.
No, see, I am the one who is posting the document, right? And I am saying I have background noise. Okay. Yeah, so, see, I am the one who is posting the document, right? And I am asking, I want to change the document, right? Why is that they are not allowing me to change? Why is that they are not allowed?
So because we are working on real time.
So,
For accountability.
okay. So, now if
It will affect the books.
The accounts can be disturbed.
can be disturbed.
The system, I think others are accessing the computer.
Now in Tally, anybody uses Tally?
Yes, sir.
For
Can you change the document after posting? Anytime, na? Whenever you want, whatever you want.
Yes, sir.
Is that good or bad?
Bad, sir.
Bad. Why? How it is bad?
If anyone access
We are going confused, sir.
Possibility for manipulation.
Check the books of account.
Possibility for manipulation. Right. Whereas you are leaving the window open, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. So here what happens is, suppose if someone is maintaining the accounts in Tally, and suppose you are giving the entire responsibility to an accountant, right? And you are the owner of the business, you are given the entire power to your accountant. There is a scope for accountant, na? Right. So suppose you are the owner, right? You went for a holiday, right? 10 days you went for a holiday. So by the time you come back, the accountant can erase all the accounts and write fresh accounts, na? Right? So there is plenty of scope for fraud, right? Yes. So that is what we want to avoid here, right? So in SAP, everything is transparent, right? Anything that you are doing on system, directly you can see. Correct? So if you are posting, yes, you can see. If you make any change, yes, it is recorded. Right. So anything that you are doing on the system, it is recorded. And so what SAP is saying is, when you have genuinely done a mistake, genuinely make the change, na? What is the problem? Genuinely reverse it and post such entry. So So how it is happening in SAP is it is recorded like this. So here, suppose one entry is there. Suppose here, now traveling we have taken example, no? Traveling expense. Expense, right? Expense account is debited. How much it is? 1,000. To what? To bank account. How much it is?
1,000.
1,000. Correct. Now, so this is what is the document number for this? 100009 is the document number. Correct. Now the document number. Correct. Now I want to, suppose this I have posted wrong, na? I want to post to miscellaneous now. So what I will do now? Reverse. I will do the reverse. Right? I cannot change the account, no? No. So what I will do? Reverse. So when I reverse, what will happen?
Bank account debit to traveling credit.
Travel expense.
Account is credited, right? How much? 1,000. So it is negated like this. It is negated. Negated like this. Okay, what is the document number? Again, I will get a document number here. So the reversal is also recorded. So some latest number, something 10031 or something like that. I will.
Then reversal will also be posted.
Yes, it is posted. It is posted as a separate entry. Yeah, you don't post it.
Again, this extra amount is added or deducted from the account books of the.
No extra amount. See this 100 document number I will give and I will say reverse this. So when I say reverse, system will automatically post this reverse entry with a document number. Is it clear?
Sir, it should be done on same day or
It's up to you. Whether you want to do it on the same day or you want to give a different date. It is both options are open. Okay. Now next you will post fresh entry, correct? What is the fresh entry now? Miscellaneous
Data to bank account.
bank. Got it? That's how SAP is proposing to do. If you do any mistake, you have to do it like this. Correct. So you have to, so again you will get a new document number for this 100030. Okay, some background noise is there. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after 1 year also you can see, yes, this document, this is the wrong entry. This is the wrong entry. And this is the reverse entry. Yeah. And this is the corrected entry. So what happens? All will be on record. Correct? So any change you are doing on the system is recorded like this. Is it clear?
Is there any indicator? Sir, is there any indicator to know the reversal entry?
Yes, so it will write like this. So here it is a reverse of 10009. It will be there. Okay? That's an indication. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So even after 1 year or probably 5 years also, you can see on that day I did this mistake, so I reversed it, so I post fresh entry. So that much clarity will be there. So anybody who is touching the system, it's on record. Anything that you do, it's on record. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah?
Sir, the indication will become automatically, sir.
Yeah, everything will come automatically. So all the thing he has to do is, do not think that we are posting this entry manually again. No. We are just going to the reversal screen and we will give this document number and say reverse. And system will read the document, system will reverse everything.
Okay.
Sir, why do you write only miscellaneous account?
Where do we write?
Miscellaneous account for
See,
fresh.
You can have example.
The whole concept is why this document is wrong, because I chose the wrong account.
Okay.
That's why I am reversing. Okay? Like
Okay.
that's an example. Yes.
So no need of maintaining different number range for reversals? I mean separate number range.
No, not required, right? So here, if you go here for you see, for essay document, For essay document, what is the reverse document type?
AB.
AB, right?
AB.
So for AB, what is the number range? Let us check. For AB, what is the number range? Same number range, which is 0, 1.
Yes.
So this 0, 1 is working for both essay and AB. Understood? For AB also 0, 1. For essay also 0, 1. That's why it is not asked. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
But this is for only for general entries. Like suppose if we make any mistake while creating company name or any code, we want to change further. So this all this reverse entry is not going to applicable there, right?
Yeah,
There
this
is
is for
no
only
document.
transaction. This is only for the transaction.
Transaction.
Okay, there you have to change the screen itself. Okay, whichever screen you are talking about, company code or whatever, in the screen itself you have to change. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after reversal, if I would like to not to mention this fresh entry, then
You don't want to post this, huh?
yeah, yes sir.
Just cancel that entry. No problem, you can cancel.
Okay.
Yeah, that is also.
So fresh entry is like a normal entry only.
A normal FB50.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Right. Good.
So we can enter wrong amount. The same way we can reverse, sir.
Yes. So anything, right, anything, it is related to company code, account number, amount, date, so that are going to affect our accounts.
Okay.
Right, so just think like that. If it is going to affect our accounts, then SAP will not allow me to change it. So what I have to do, reverse it, post fresh entry. If it is something that is not going to affect, like reference number, narration, text, header name, yes, it will allow. You can change. No problem, right? No. Reference I have not given. I want to give. No problem, give. Narration I have not written. Now I want to give. No problem, give. Right? You can change. So those are allowed. Because they are not affecting the accounts now. But if it is affecting our accounts, sorry, you cannot. Then what you have to do? Only option what you have in SAP?
Reverse.
Reverse. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sir, here if we want to change anything, first we have to do reverse and then we have to give fresh entry. No, sir?
Fresh entry, correct.
If we are posting that wrong posting given, then we have to report that, or we can change in the FB0.
Posting data. Are you talking about date?
Yes, sir. Posting date.
Now my question would be, date will affect the accounts or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot change, right? So reverse. Correct?
There is no transaction code for reverse document, sir.
I am telling you, right? So there are types of reversals, okay? Note down. One. First one is individual reversal. Then we have mass reversal.
We need to note down, sir, this.
Yeah, note down everybody. Reversal and reset. Okay, that is reversal and reset is T code is FBR. This one T code is FB08. FB08. For this one the T code is F.80. Okay, note down.
Sir, if we post the reverse entry, then it is necessary to post the fresh entry.
Yeah, if you are by mistake you are posted, you want to correct it, then you can just reverse it and leave it. But you have a correction to be done, right? Then you have to post.
Okay. one question is there. When we paid account, when we did the entry account, rent payable account debited, and that means when we did the provision entry for rent account payability, and then we clear that open item with bank payment. You show that if we book the entry of 10,000 and we pay from bank 10,000. If we want to pay 5,000 one time and second time we want to 5,000, that the same T code will apply here, sir.
Partial payment, I will discuss. That is a future topic. Yeah? So out of 10,000, I don't want to pay full 10,000. Some amount I want to pay. How to do it, we will see later. Yes. Yes.
So we even don't have edit option also.
Yeah, edit is nothing but change only. No? In another word you are using to talk about the same thing. Correct. Edit is nothing but change. No? Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, this entry like travelers to bank account, we made in sample documents, sir. So
correct.
in FB03, the document number is from 100. So there I am unable to see this document because this is a sample document.
No. Whether you have posted in FB50 or whether you have used the sample document to post it, they are both equal. The question is not about how you post it. The question is about the document, is it correct or not? If it is wrong, I want to reverse it. See, the sample document number you will not get 100009, such a big number you will not get.
Yeah.
Sample number is 1001 only. Sample is different. Now using the sample you posted this. So after posting it is equal to your FB50 only, na? Correct or not?
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yes,
Yeah. So after posting, whether you posted in FB50, whether you are posted in FBR2, whether you are posted in F.14, after posting all the documents are equal. No? It is posted. Entry is posted. Correct. So to reverse all of them, it is same T code. F.FD0. Okay.
Sir, I want to understand one small thing. Like, at any stage, suppose 1 year is done and after 1 year they realize there is some wrong entry. So that moment we can reverse it?
See, everything is before closing of the accounts, right? So once your accounts are finalized and you have represented, right, your auditing is over, 99.99% of the cases, the auditor should pick it up. If it is not picked up means what? There is no question you will pick it up. Correct?
Okay.
So once the auditor has given clearance and you have submitted and you have paid your taxes, that's it. Now year is closed. Correct now? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good.
Sir, all we are designing this for the use of end users, sir, for the sake of end users.
Yes.
To post it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Okay. So shall we do this now? FD08 individual reversal means what? Only, note down, only one document can be reversed. Okay. Here mass reversal means
More than one.
yeah, reverse at a time. Here more than one, yeah, correct. More than one document can be reversed at a time. Next. This is used only in case of reversal of clearing stock. Okay, no.
Yes, sir. Complete.
So now I will go like this. So go to FB08 /n FB08. Go like this. So now, what is the document number I am
Show me once WhatsApp.
So can you show me screen once?
Notes, sir?
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. So I will go to FB08, yeah? The T code is /NFB08. Okay, so now go like this 1009. Yeah, and then reverse reason. Why I am reversing? Any reason, right? Reversal in current period or whatever, right? Select like this. Enter. So when I press enter, now click on the save option here. So you see, I am not here telling anything, right? I am not telling what to debit, what to credit, nothing I am telling, correct? I am only giving the document number, reason I am giving, correct? And I am saving, correct? So when I save, you see, document 10032 was posted. Correct? So one number I have given. So this is, I was just guessing it. So my guess is correct. Now this was 32. This is 32 we got. And this will be 33 if I post. Got it? Yeah? No. Understood? Yeah. So now in 10032, what will be now in this?
Reversal document.
What is the
Total document is
Bank
reversed.
account debit to
Bank account data to traveling
traveling
Let us see. So /n FB02. Yeah, enter. Is it correct or is it wrong?
Correct.
How?
40 is gone up and 40.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
It is 40.
Is the
So
correct
bank is debited. Traveling is credited. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Reverse has happened or not?
Happened.
Happened. So with this new number, right? And if you go to header here, yeah? Header. Click on header here. Now here you can